Assalamu alaikum, Jamian. Welcome back again. Your African boys. Myself, Gabs, Gabi. Yeah, welcome, bro.
Muhammad Idris.
Yes,
From Sudan.
from Sudan. Yes, today we are back again with one of the suggested video between Bangladesh and Pakistan. Yeah, Islamabad is the. So today we are going to react to the capital city.
Okay.
So Bangladesh capital city is Dhaka and Pakistan capital city is Islamabad. Yeah, so we are going to see the comparison, guys, and we'll tell our honest review according to the video. So without wasting time, let's start. Nice to see that these two of countries, like according to me, both the country really look nice.
We enjoyed watching.
Yeah, we enjoyed watching. Like they're the capital city for sure. Both have to be amazing. Like we saw from Dhaka and Islamabad. Islamabad is kind of a both are big city, but little different. Only I saw, but I just saw like I feel like the infrastructure between these two cities, they are totally different. They are totally different. And coming to the growth of the country, like the GDP, Bangladesh is having higher GDP, even in capital, more than the Islamabad. So, and what did you realize?
Like to the area.
The area, okay, the area.
In Dhaka, we find the area in Dhaka is more bigger than.
Yeah, Dhaka
Islamabad.
is wide bigger than the Islamabad. It's very huge. Like the different. Also, the difference is that less. But what I see what I see similar. Is there anything that similar you see between them?
Religion is.
Religion is similar. Because they are both Muslim country actually.
90%.
95. So
like
this is something similar we saw between these two countries. And I think for sure the things like culture, traditional can be similar also. Maybe
somehow, because
maybe language. Islam is one thing, right?
Yeah.
Islam is one thing.
Most of them speak Arabic.
They speak, but in Pakistan they speak Urdu.
Urdu is similar to Arabic.
Yeah, to Arabic.
Yeah,
How the handwriting. Yeah, it's similar. But in Bangladesh they speak what? Can you guess?
Bengali.
Bengali. Yeah, in Bangladesh they speak Bengali.
Yeah.
So different language, we know that. But when coming to the religion, we know something can be similar there.
Yeah, religion be like connecting all those things.
But see, what is making me so surprised, like, Bangladesh, they just separated from Pakistan.
Yeah.
So when you come and seeing the economic growth, the development, like currently Bangladesh is even far, like they are even in big.
We can say like somehow better than Islamabad.
Yeah, better than the country.
It's still growing.
Yeah, it's still growing, and like they just improve so fast, and even some of their city is becoming better than the Pakistan. Like this is what I'm really shocked. Like maybe it depend on the
like one country and they divide.
Yeah, they divided. Like I don't know. I don't understand this. You can let us guys. You can let us know. I can say maybe because of the alliance they have, like the relationship. I know Bangladesh is having so many relations with other countries that Pakistan doesn't have. Okay. Like Bangladesh is having good relation with India. But India they are not friends with Pakistan. And also Bangladesh is having good relation with China, Japan. But I don't
those
think
countries will like help the country to develop.
Because they are already developed country like China, Japan. That is why when there is relation, like it will help the other countries to develop. That is why Bangladesh it develops so fast, and even now is becoming little better than Pakistan. Yeah, that is really something amazing. And they have, I don't know how many cities they have. I only saw, like I reacted previous to 10 state 10 state of Bangladesh.
The best one is Dhaka.
Dhaka is there, Chittagong, and so many others. But I don't know how many cities, like how many state do Bangladesh has, guys? Do they have? I don't know. Even Pakistan I only know Islamabad and Karachi.
Okay.
Other than this, I don't know. Also, let us know, guys, how many state in Bangladesh and Pakistan. So
let us know in the comments.
Yeah, drop your comment, and we are wishing all the best for all this country, for more development, whether economic, military. So love from Africa, guys. So salam alaikum.
Salam alaikum.